how are you everyone? This is Farooq from UAE Tech Support. My friend, today I will unbox one new camera. Today I bought this camera. So this camera is for action camera. Okay, so let's go with. This is the bill I buy, and this I buy 164 GB. 64 GB I buy memory card, and this is the camera. Okay, so we just this is new. I will buy. I open. This is the camera I buy, and there is this is the camera name is Go Smart. This action camera. Okay, if you want to buy Dubai City Center, Deira City Center, this price is only 240 dirham, 240. But this camera is 209, and this one is 25 dirham. And this camera is very good. Okay, so let's open this one. What is inside? Oh, too much things. This for you can put in car or your helmet. See, oh my god, it's too much things, too much accessories for selfie. This is the for hanging. This is the cover of this extra one. This already have one, but they give me another one. Okay, this is the cable. This is another stick. See, oh my god, too much. This is the switch. It's opening. Open already. So dear friends, if you want to buy this very good camera, waterproof and 16 megapixel, and then if you up to 64 GB you can put, and then it will be make video like 6 hours 7 hours, and then picture it's long, too much you can. So I will check this one. It's good, this one. And this one you can transfer by computer with the Wi-Fi. Okay, so I think this is good one. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And if you want to buy this one, you can buy on, you can go buy Carrefour, to buy Carrefour. I buy from there. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a good day.
এই ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই একটা লাইক দিবেন, শেয়ার করবেন, কমেন্ট করে জানাবেন কেমন লাগলো।